Proventia manufactures thermal insulation components with optimized, efficient processes that meet high industry standards and ensure consistent, high-quality heat shields. The manufacturing process begins with decoiling thin steel foil, which is then embossed and cut into sheets. Embossing stiffens the material, enables forming into complex shapes, and gives the final product a visually appealing finish. The corrugated sheets are stamped into their final shape with tools designed in-house. Precisely engineered process parameters ensure smooth manufacturing, producing clean geometry and a high-quality visual finish. After stamping, washing prepares the parts for the next stage. With 3D laser, excess material is cut with high precision. Dedicated jigs ensure each component is positioned identically. The laser follows a programmed cutting path, resulting in repeatable quality. Openings for sensors or other integrated components can also be laser cut. During insulation assembly, the insulation material is pre-cut to its exact shape. Adhesive is applied to the shell and the insulation is installed onto the heat shield cover. At this stage, any additional required components are installed. The insulation assembly is mounted onto the product using dedicated installation tools. The assembly is secured by crimping, spot welding, or a combination of both, ensuring a durable fit. The finished insulation assemblies are prepared for dispatch and transported to their destination.